This is the Apple Watch Series 10. Let's see what's in the box. When you first open the box, you'll see two additional boxes, one with a watch strap for the Apple Watch Series 10 and the other with the watch itself. When you open up the watch strap box, you'll see the strap encased in some packaging. Once you open up the other box with the watch itself, you'll find documentation including a quick start guide and other instructions, along with a charging cable with a wireless Apple Watch charging puck at the end. And you'll see the Apple Watch Series 10 itself in a protective case. And that's everything that comes with the Apple Watch Series 10.